Hi guys, thanks for purchasing LifeTime Kit. In this, you'll get a more detailed walkthrough demo for the LifeTime Kit hosting app. After successful login, the dashboard will look like this. In this dashboard, you'll have easy access to each and every feature of this app. You'll have features like web, DNS, mail, database, cron, and backups. In the top menu, you'll have icons for notifications, file manager and profile, etc. When you click on the file manager, you'll be directed to this page. In this page, you can manually update or add files in it. Now we will see how to add your domain in this app. For that, click on the web menu on top and then click the Add Web Domain option and then enter all the details of your domain here. And click Save to save your domain. In this, for demo purposes, I'm adding a sample domain to show how to do it. When the Save button is clicked, it will add the domain within a few seconds with a message showing the domain added successfully. When you navigate back to the WEB option, you'll be able to see the lists of domains created. And when you want to add SSL certification for your added domain, you can just simply click on the domain to get into this page or click on the Edit Pencil icon present near to the domain. In this page, you can choose the options such as Enable Domain Redirection and Enable SSL for this domain options for adding SSL to your domain. And there's an option to add WordPress sites to your domain easily by clicking the Quick Install App option present near the Save icon. When you click that, you'll get various different types of apps that are supported by this app like WordPress, Drupal, Flarum, etc. Just click the Setup button below the preferred app and it will open this details page to enter some details for the setup, such as email, password, etc. After entering all the necessary details, just click Save to save the details and changes made. Likewise, you can also add DNS, mail, and you can manage the database, and even you can make a backup of your domains using this app. That's the end of this hosting app demo with a walkthrough. If you have any doubts or queries other than these, feel free to contact our support team anytime. Thank you.